Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to start with English tenses with 12 important basic formulas for 12 different types of tenses. So, let's get started. First, present simple tense. And here the formula is subject plus verb plus s or es plus object. Example, he drives a car. Here subject is he, verb is a drive with s or es which drives. Object is car. So the example is he drives a car. Present continuous tense. Formula is subject plus is or am or are plus verb with ing plus object. And the example is he is driving a car. Here subject is he, is plus verb ing which is driving. Object is car. He is driving a car. Present perfect tense. Formula is subject plus has or have plus verb plus object. And the example is he has driven a car. Here subject is he, has, verb which is driven plus object which is car. So he has driven a car. Present perfect continuous tense. Formula is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb with ing plus object. Example is he has been driving a car. He has been driving a car. Here subject is he, has or have, has, been, plus verb ing is driving plus ing, object is car. So the example is he has been driving a car. Past simple tense. Here the formula is subject plus verb plus object. Example, he drove a car. He drove a car. Here the subject is he, verb is drove plus object a car. He drove a car. Past continuous tense. The formula is subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object. Example, he was driving a car. Here subject is he, was plus verb ing, driving plus ing, object a car. He was driving a car. The next tense, past perfect tense. Here the formula is subject plus had plus verb V3 category plus object. Example, he had driven a car. Here the subject is he, had plus verb driven a car. Object is car. Example, he had driven a car. Next tense, past perfect continuous tense. Formula subject plus had plus been plus verb with ing plus object. So the example is he had been driving a car. Here subject is he, had, been plus drive plus ing, driving a car. So the example is he had been driving a car. Future simple tense. Formula is subject plus will or shall plus verb plus object. Example, he will drive a car. Here subject is he, will plus verb drive plus object car. Example, he will drive a car. Future continuous tense. Formula is subject plus will be or shall be plus verb plus ing plus object. Example is he will be driving a car. Example, he will be driving a car. Future perfect tense. Formula subject plus will have plus verb V3 category plus object. Example, he will have been driving a car. Here subject is he plus will have plus verb V3 driving ing plus a car, object is car. Example, he will have been driving a car. The last tense, future perfect continuous tense. Here the example is subject plus will have been plus verb ing plus object. Example, he will have been driving a car. Here the subject is he, will have been plus verb ing driving object a car. Example, he will have been driving a car. So now we have completed our topic. Now you have 12 basic formulas for 12 different tenses. You can revise again and again and use it in the different form of sentences. Hope you have enjoyed our session today. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.